Concord Marine Electronics is Fort Lauderdale's premier destination for advanced marine electronics and marine speakers for luxury yachts. For over 37 years, we've built a solid reputation by delivering high-quality installations, excellent service, and technical precision. Whether it's navigation, connectivity, or audio, we create systems that are reliable, powerful, and tailored to each vessel. Our product line includes trusted solutions like the Garmin GPS Map 9227, a 27-inch premium chart plotter paired with Garmin Navionics Plus for confident navigation. For onboard connectivity, we install the Starlink High Performance Kit Gen 2 streaming bundle with speeds up to 500 Mbps. We also offer the KVH Starlink Flat High Performance Kit Gen 2, offering efficient satellite internet at up to 200 Mbps. Prefer a wall-mounted setup with a built-in router? The KVH Starlink Performance Gen 3 kit is a dependable choice. We also specialize in marine audio with professional installations of JL audio systems, the JL Audio M6 Series 8.8. Enclosed tower. Coaxial speakers come with LED lighting and gloss white sport grills. Need something more compact? The JL Audio M6 VEX Series 6.5. Coaxial speakers deliver impressive sound in a sleek form, complete with RGB LED titanium sports grills. We also integrate Crestron Touch Panels that give you seamless control over entertainment, lighting, and onboard systems. With over 175 five-star Google reviews, Concord Marine Electronics has become a trusted name across the industry. Call us today at 954-779-1100 and experience marine electronics and marine speakers designed and installed with precision, style, and lasting performance.